Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom.
Mom, I'm in trouble.
I need you to send me money, please.
A future where my identity can be stolen just like that.
If you want to avoid losing your job in the future, make sure to watch this entire video. Let's begin by listening to a statement Elon Musk made about 2-3 years ago.
AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Elon himself said that AI can be more dangerous than nuclear weapons. At that time, most people didn't understand what AI was capable of. As a result, they didn't take the statement very seriously. Some thought it would take a long time for AI to pose any real threat. I made a video on AI a year ago. Since then, AI has progressed 10 times faster than what I predicted back then. AI isn't limited to just taking people's jobs. Let me tell you what else it can do. James Cameron, director of the movie Avatar, warned about the possible dangers of AI 30 years ago. If you look back, lots of Hollywood movies have tackled the topic of AI, like Ex Machina and Transformers. I highly recommend watching Ex Machina. This movie is entirely focused on AI and shows that controlling AI isn't an easy task. But people often dismissed the dangers of AI after watching movies like Transformers, believing it would take a lot of time for AI to become a reality. However, AI has advanced at an alarming pace. Here's something even more shocking. Hollywood actors, writers, and directors have been protesting for the last 2 months. Filming for big movies like Deadpool has been paused, and the reason is AI. Companies like Marvel and DC are using AI in their movies, causing many people to lose their jobs or face massive pay cuts. As a result, everyone in Hollywood wants contracts from the production houses to protect their livelihoods. Hollywood is afraid of AI, so you know this isn't something minor. Even billionaires like Elon Musk are advocating for the slowdown of AI advancement, fearing that uncontrolled growth in AI could be a threat to humanity. Already countless jobs have been lost due to AI, and I don't need to explain that. Let me help you understand what AI is, what it's capable of, and how it could be a threat to humanity. The simple answer is that AI can do almost anything you can think of. It can perform a day's worth of tasks in just a minute. Tesla cars are driverless, and everyone knows that, but they are powered by AI. In some Japanese restaurants, robots are serving customers thanks to AI. AI is used in many schools in China. AI can create an image of your face and mimic your voice. It can sing, read your expressions, and in the future, AI might even be able to read your mind. Just take a look at these digitally created images of Putin and Jinping. They look so real. That's the power of AI. AI can also manage your social media accounts and converse in the same way you do. People used to say that AI didn't have emotions, but now, if you use AI tools like ChatGPT, they respond just like a human would. A professional might not be able to help you as much as AI can. So, how is AI a threat to humanity? Let me give you some examples. A few months back, a girl asked Alexa for a challenge, and Alexa told her to stick her finger in a light socket. Thankfully, the girl's mom was there and immediately reported the incident to Amazon, who said it might be a glitch. A few years ago, Twitter launched an AI bot that ended up tweeting in support of Hitler, forcing Twitter to shut down the bot. And let's not forget the AI robot named Sophia, who jokingly mentioned her intent to dominate the human race after winning a game against Jimmy Fallon. In the future, AI will control many aspects of our lives, and as it takes on more tasks, it will gain more power. Currently, AI is just in our smartphones, but it's already being used in scams, like the one where a scammer duplicated a girl's voice and face to demand ransom from her parents. AI can create fake videos of people, and it has been used to spread fake news, victimizing many unsuspecting individuals. This is undoubtedly scary, and it's only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's capabilities. So what should you do? Many large companies have started implementing AI, and if you want to secure your job, having AI skills will be essential in every field. To use an AI tool, you'll need someone who can operate it and has knowledge of various AI tools like ChatGPT and BERT. If you're interested, I can teach you the basics of AI tools for free in my next video. Some people have launched paid courses on this, but if you want to learn for free, like and share this video. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll cover the basics of AI tools in my next video.